What is Breslov Chassidus? What is the whole extent of Chassidus Breslov? There are two ways. Sumera Vasei Torah. First, get away from bad, evil. This is Sumera. Then, Vasei Torah. Do only goods. The Derech HaMusar is first work on the bad part that you have in your life. Get away from the bad habits that you got into that. A person could live 70 years and work to fix your needs, but I went through my whole life, I didn't get rid of my bad days. This is the Derech HaMusar. Derech HaChassidus came, Shem Tov Kodesh Chusam Reini saw that this is not a way, because the majority of the world cannot learn, and was very depressed, problems, and was pogroming, the going, and they chased away the Pshutei Om, simple people, so far that they didn't want to down with them. They made their own minion. A minion for carpenters, a minion for painters, a minion for tailors. They didn't want to have to do with you nothing. Shem Tov came. It written Sumera, you should go away from the bad. How? You know how? Vasei Toiv, do goods. Do goods. So this is the difference between Musar and Chassidus. Musar is first get rid of the bad habits. So, person could work 70 years and didn't get rid of my bad habits. Say Toiv, do goods. Do goods, do goods. You do good, the bad will fall away. Do good. This is the, in general, Chassidus, and this is general, the Muslim. You find, and the Parshas Vayechi, that Yaakov Avinu got. See? And Yosef bought his both children. Menashe, he was the Cho, firstborn, and Ephraim, he was the second. he should bless the kids. Before he passes away, he should bless his 2 kids. Now, why was Menashe called Menashe? Because Menashe means forget me. Yosef Tzadik had so much sorrows in his life, I had so much problems in my life, now I'm king, so give a name Menashe. Ephraim means he multiplied. I had so good already, this is Ephraim. So, the meaning of Menashe means forget about the past. Ephraim means do only goods. Hashem gave me goods, do more goods, multiply goods. So he bought them, Yaakov Avinu was sitting here, and he bought his 2 children against. So this is the right hand for Yaakov. So Yosef bought Menashe on this side, was actually the left. I'm sitting here, this is my right. We stand opposite, this is the left. And Ephraim, he bought them on the left side, on the other side, it's the right. Yaakov Avinu blessed them, he put his right hand on Ephraim and the left hand on Menashe. So Yosef tried to say, Yaakov, Daddy, that put your right hand on the Chor, on Menashe, he's the oldest, and the left hand put on my younger. So it says, why are you putting the right hand on the youngest and the left hand on the oldest? He wanted to take off their hands. So he tells them, my son, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. What's the vikuach between Yosef and Yaakov? Yosef was a young boy, 17 years, beautiful looking boy, went through in his life, and very, very little people goes through such a thing. He sits with his father and learns Torah. His father liked him very much, and he bought them a special garment or clothes more than the older brothers had, because he loved them very much. He was the youngest. And there, the brothers hated him. Why the father makes an issue with the youngest son more than they hated him? When hateness came in such a degree, he was jealous of him, till they decide we're going to kill him. The more learns out of this, you should never make a difference in one child to the other one. No such a thing. Look what happened. Because Yaakov made a difference between the youngest and the oldest, became a hateness. Nobody should do it. When a person has children, he has to know all the children are the same thing. Because if not, there will be jealousy. Jealousy is the worst thing what could be. The worst midday what kills a person is jealousy. And